What is a trading system? Why don't more traders use systems? How do you think about systems? Hello, my name is RJ Hixson. I'm an instructor with the Tharp Institute, and we'll be going through these topics through this course, Introduction to Systems. In the course, you're going to learn why most traders don't use a trading system. At least why most newer traders don't use a trading system. Most of them don't. Most of them don't even know what a trading system is. So they aren't going to be able to use one if they are really not even sure of what that is. We're going to look at the key elements of systems thinking for traders. Systems thinking is a way to think about information and how things are structured, and it can be very useful for traders. Finally, we're going to look at the changes that you need to make in order to become a profitable trader. We have a relatively short list, and we'll go through those one by one. The course has about 5 sections. We've got an introduction, 3 lessons, and then a conclusion. We'll be touching on each one of these as we go through the course. First, let me start by making a few suggestions. Go through the course more than once. You might watch it the first time and just listen. You might watch it a second time and press pause and take notes. And then you might wait a week or two or a couple of weeks and then listen to it a third time while you have your notes out. You can, of course, listen to it more than that, but that would probably be the minimum to really get the most out of the course. Secondly, you want to actually take notes written down or typed into an electronic document, and you want to answer the homework questions. It'd be good to do this if you have a dedicated journal or a dedicated folder on your computer where you can keep all this material. Finally, think about spending about an hour or so on each lesson's homework assignment when they come up. There'll be 3 homework assignments in this course. So now, as you go through the course, you'll want to notice what gets your attention. So just pay close attention and notice in particular what got your attention. Was it something that you saw on the screen? Was it something that you heard? Maybe through the course and at one particular point you felt something, like maybe you felt the hair standing up in the back of your neck, or just some kind of tingling feeling, just some sort of sensation. Just notice that and then make a quick note. Later, you can come back to those areas that got your attention and ask, what do I think about that? And take a few moments to really think through why that got your attention, what you heard in the course that might also feed into that particular area. And then finally, if you're going to do anything with that information as a result. Okay? All right, let's get started.